Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download, install and set up Eclipse IDE on your Windows PC. Step 1. You need to download Eclipse IDE. Go to the official Eclipse website, the link will be on the description. Click download and wait for the file to finish downloading. Install Eclipse IDE. Open the Eclipse installer file, select Eclipse IDE for Java developers or select another version based on your needs. Choose the installation folder. Default is in C, Users, your username and Eclipse. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, click Launch to open Eclipse. Step 3. Set up Eclipse IDE. When prompted, choose a Workspace folder where your projects will be stored. Click Launch to enter the Eclipse main interface. You can now start creating Java, Python or other projects. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.